Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kothu Parotta. This is a very delicious and an instant recipe. You can use leftover parottas for this recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 green chilli chopped and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes soft. Then to this add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute until the tomato turns a little mashy. Now let's go ahead and add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1/2 teaspoon of Chilli Powder and 1/2 teaspoon of Coriander Powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now to this add 2 eggs and mix it well. When the eggs are half done, add 2 shredded parottas and 1/4 cup of empty salna. I've already made a video on how to make empty salna. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Mix well for 2 minutes in medium flame. Then you can off the flame and sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander leaves, and a delicious Kothu Parotta is now ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a simple recipe. So do try this Kothu Parotta recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.